Once upon a time, in a sparkling blue river, lived a tiny, friendly minnow named Mimi. Mimi was not like the other minnows. She had a special ability to communicate with other aquatic creatures. One sunny day, Mimi noticed a tadpole named Timmy who was lost. Timmy was alone and scared, far from his home. Mimi swam up to him and asked, "Hello, Timmy, are you lost?" "Yes, I am," replied Timmy, his voice trembling. "I can't find my way back home." Mimi felt sorry for Timmy. She decided to help him. "Don't worry, Timmy. I will guide you back home." With Timmy following closely behind, Mimi led him through the river. They swam past colorful plants, under big rocks, and around bends. Timmy was amazed by the sights and sounds of the river. Soon, they arrived at a beautiful pond. "This is where you live, Timmy," said Mimi. "Follow the plants and you'll find your family." Timmy thanked Mimi for her help. He promised to visit her someday. Mimi waved goodbye and swam back to her home. From that day on, Mimi became known as the friendly Minnow who helped lost aquatic creatures find their way home. She was a hero to all who knew her, teaching everyone the importance of kindness and friendship. As the sun began to set, Mimi swam back to her cozy corner of the river, ready for a good night's sleep. She was happy and content, knowing that she had made a difference in someone's life. And so, she dreamt of more adventures, ready to help anyone in need. The end.